Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm sharing some game-changing car maintenance hacks that will save you both time and money. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone trying to keep their ride running smoothly, these tips are going to make your life so much easier. Let's jump right in. DIY air filter cleaning. Replacing your car's air filter can be expensive, but what if I told you there's a cheaper way to keep it clean and functioning well? Instead of shelling out money for a new filter every time, you can clean it yourself with just a few simple steps. All you need is a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment. Start by removing the air filter from your car's engine bay. Make sure to check the manual for exact instructions. Once it's out, use the vacuum to suck out all the dust, dirt, and debris that have accumulated. Be gentle while doing this, as you don't want to damage the filter. After cleaning, check if it looks good enough to reuse. Not only does this save you money, but it also helps your engine breathe better, which can improve fuel efficiency and performance in the long run. Save gas with proper tire pressure. Keeping your tire pressure at the correct level is one of the easiest and most effective ways to save money on gas. Underinflated tires increase the rolling resistance of your car, meaning the engine has to work harder to move, which leads to higher fuel consumption. In fact, studies show that properly inflated tires can improve your fuel efficiency by up to 3%. To check your tire pressure, grab a tire gauge and compare the reading with the recommended PSI listed in your car's owner's manual or on the sticker inside the driver's side door. If your tires are underinflated, simply add air until they reach the optimal level. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in your fuel economy, saving you money every time you fill up. Plus, it's a quick and easy fix that doesn't cost a thing. Fix scratches with toothpaste. Minor scratches on your car's surface don't always require an expensive visit to the body shop. Instead, you can fix them yourself with a simple item you probably already have at home: toothpaste. Non-gel toothpaste acts as a mild abrasive, which can help smooth out the edges of a scratch and make it less noticeable. To do this, apply a small amount of toothpaste to a soft, clean cloth and gently rub it onto the scratched area in circular motions. Make sure to keep the pressure light to avoid damaging the paint further. After buffing the area for a minute or two, wipe off any excess toothpaste with a damp cloth and let it dry. The scratch should appear much less visible, and your car's exterior will look smoother. It's a quick, easy, and cost-effective way to restore your car's shine without spending a fortune. Using WD-40 for window streaks. Tired of dealing with those annoying streaks on your car windows that never seem to go away, no matter how much you clean them? Well, I've got a simple solution for you: WD-40. Yes, the same product you use for squeaky hinges can also work wonders on your car windows. All you need to do is spray a small amount of WD-40 on a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe down your windows. This not only helps remove the streaks, but it also leaves the glass with a smooth, shiny finish. The best part? WD-40 acts as a protective barrier, which prevents dirt and grime from sticking to the surface as easily, keeping your windows cleaner for longer. This trick can save you money on expensive glass cleaners and help you keep your car looking fresh without much effort. Give it a try next time you're cleaning your car. DIY oil change. Changing your car's oil doesn't have to be a costly trip to the mechanic. With a few basic tools and a little time, you can do it yourself and save a lot of money. To start, you'll need an oil filter wrench, an oil pan to catch the used oil, a funnel, and the correct type and amount of motor oil for your car. Begin by raising the car and draining the old oil into the pan. Once it's fully drained, replace the oil filter, then pour in the fresh oil using the funnel. Make sure to check the oil level using the dipstick and top it off if necessary. This DIY oil change can save you anywhere from $50 to $100, depending on where you go, and it's a great way to keep your car running smoothly while learning a valuable skill. It may take about an hour, but the savings are definitely worth it. That's it for today's video. I hope these hacks help you keep your car in top shape without breaking the bank. Let me know which tip you're going to try first in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome car care content. See you next time.